Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your profile picture in YouTube Kids. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the YouTube Kids app. It's important to make sure you're using the latest version of the app to avoid any issues. Once it's open, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Now, from the main menu, scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Tap on that profile icon to open the profile menu where you'll find the options you need. Step 3. In the profile menu, look for the edit option. Tap on it, and this will open the editing menu where you can make changes to your profile, including updating your profile picture. Step 4. Here, you'll see various options to change your profile picture. Find the one you like and tap on it. Wait a few seconds for the app to update and save your new profile picture. Step 5. To make sure it worked, simply close the app and then open it again. Check your profile to see if the new picture has been applied correctly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.